India has come out with very strong set of GDP numbers. I think it's been a pleasant surprise to everyone. Not only will this be the fastest growing economy in the world, but I think it'll be an outlier in terms of growth. What's really helped and supported this growth is growth in manufacturing and growth in some sectors of services, trade, hotels, tourism, real estate, financial services. So all these sectors, and they comprise a large part of the GVA, and therefore the GDP growth number that has come out is very strong. What we've also seen is that the government, has supported this growth in a very strong way. I think the government expenditure in the first 4 months is up by 20%. Although last year the government expenditure, because this was the election time, the government expenditure was less than the budgeted or less than normal. So the growth is looking even more accentuated.
As you know, US had imposed 50% tariff on us. How much can India's growth momentum continue in the coming quarters?
I think India's growth momentum should continue. We have projected for a 6.5% GDP growth in that range. I think our growth number should be there or thereabouts. In fact, maybe slightly higher. There will be some negative impact because of the tariff, at least in this quarter and maybe for a few months. But we have the government has made a modification on the GST rates that has come down. Interest rates have come down. The monsoons have been very good. So there are a lot of uplifting factors also, which will have a positive impact on the GDP growth. The impact because of the trade wars and the incremental tariff.
If you talk on the tariff issue, we want tariff issues, sir.
No, on tariffs, I think, yes, obviously this will have an impact on GDP, particularly in some labor-intensive sectors. It's hard to estimate what that impact will be, but it should not be that big an impact, at least in terms of GDP percentage. But definitely, as I had mentioned earlier, the positive impact that we will get because of the reduction in GST rates, because of monsoons, because of moderating interest rates, should more than make up for the impact that we'll have on tariffs. And tariff impact, at least in CII, we believe that it should be temporary, and over a period, in not too distant a future, it should get resolved.